With the foundation of blockchain and collecting on the advantages of decentralized finance, i.e., DeFi, Elrond set the standard of being the first blockchain on the planet with a veritable state sharding plan for down-to-earth versatility, wiping out energy and computational waste while guaranteeing conveyed reasonableness through a secure proof-of-stake (SPOS) agreement component. This one-of-a-kind element implies that information connected with exchanges will generally get assembled independently and not among the other data on a similar block, consequently working with the dramatic speed of exchanges. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Elrond and comprehend the Elrond cost expectation for what's in store. Elrond entered crypto space in the year 2020. Having areas of strength for and on security, Elrond network is worked to guarantee protection from known security issues like the Sybil assault. Without a doubt, Elrond has incredible potential and will generally be the most alluring digital currencies, principally for its local token, Egld, that guarantees high versatility security combined with speed scaling, a pinnacle of $200 without a doubt on a more profound specialized investigation at the cost. Elrond empowers authorization-less, line-less, worldwide exchanges and embraces the web economy advancement. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of Egld tokens as impetuses in executing brilliant agreement expenses and move reserves. The most important variables that push the cost of Elrond are the speed and reasonableness that empower faster enhancements execution, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. Egld, the ups and downs, the gems and crowns. Right now, the Elrond, Egld, cost today is exchanging around $191.29, with a slight transitory remedy throughout the course of recent hours. The market capitalization has expanded to $4,150,898,333.52 with a circling supply of 21,694,175 Egld. A great deal can be said about the verifiable excursion. A sharp ascent went into the rectification stage, and in the span of a month, the exchanging volume remained at $261,802,037.55. Almost comparable patterns and bends went on till 2017. In December, the Egld cost shot up, trailed by a cost remedy in 2018 summers. The drowsy stage went on for the cryptographic money, and the option of Egld added a forward leap. The start of 2019 was a gift for this platform as the Egld token was recorded on the famous trade. Aside from that, there were numerous gifts declared by the designers through review promotions for cash. Raising the toast to a notable $177, the coin got some decent forward movement. The subsiding period of pandemic brought overflow aplenty for the coin, giving it a consistent bullish push. Despite the fact that put in a profoundly unpredictable universe of digital currencies, great elements like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly critical part in impacting speculations. The essential target of the Elrond group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and, simultaneously, security. Tracking down harmony in both could be an extreme test. In light of a sensible calculation, Elrond, Egld, has both transient meetings and possible long-haul benefits. In view of the Elrond Egld cost forecast and our own exploration, the Egld coin might reach $184.420 constantly's end. As per the future cost expectations and Elrond gauge, the Elrond Egld cost is anticipated at $870.9136120 toward the finish of 2022. Egld is an audacious undertaking to exchange and one of the quickly developing sections. It is a bigger number of bulls than bears. As per the forecasts, it isn't publicity that it would cross another high around the $248.49 mark by 2023, bringing about a beneficial speculation. In spite of the fact that there were changes and advancements occurring in Elrond blockchain innovation, this resource stayed lazy to move an inch. To put it truly, numerous financial backers didn't have the foggiest idea about the resource even existed. Albeit the fundamental explanation is at this point unclear. There is news that might be because of designers proclaiming their innovative headway, and a special occasion caused the trigger, guaranteeing brought together, blockchain, cybersecurity and expression, and all the more significantly a reality. According to the Verifiable Information and Specialized Examination, since November 2021, the cost was showing rectification. In spite of the fact that there was a slight recuperation saw in the main 7-day stretch of April 2022. In any case, after that the cost again fell. In the event that the cost goes up, Elrond cost will show a positive pattern sooner rather than later. Elrond price predictions, 2022 to 2026. Elrond price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for a cryptographic money market, Elrond is good to go to insist areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a critical push to the cost of Elrond, taking it to cross all boundaries scaling $217.82. As per the Egld cost forecast 2022, the normal cost is supposed to reach $205.93 and least cost to $192.35. Elrond price prediction 2023. As per our Elrond cost expectations specialists, these highlights can help the symbolic increase a lot more exorbitant cost of $248.49 and least cost of $207.38. The typical cost of Elrond may be $230.69. On the off chance that the drive for practical crypto market go on into 2023, the Egld cost might try and see a worldview rush. These costs show more development than that of Elrond cost forecast 2022. Elrond price prediction 2024. There may be slight revision saw in the year 2024 when contrasted with 2023. There are suspicions by our Elrond Egld cost expectation specialists its base worth could reach $192.64. Most extreme cost might reach $285.44 and normal cost of Elrond to $224.81. The blessing is finished by significantly security and adaptability highlights. The interesting special endeavors might wrap up making the financial backers collect the increases and make it a beneficial speculation. This may be an ideal opportunity to trade Elrond. Elrond price prediction 2025. Elrond is additionally dynamic in local area drives. Taking into account they keep up the force, earning a huge market cap, their drives zeroing in on schooling, effort, and development.